somewhat windy episode of Gardening Gone Wild. And it was really blowing. Until now, as soon as I switch on the camera, it stops gusting. Interesting, isn't it? Yep, still waiting for a wind. No sign of it whatsoever. Now that looks like a particularly nice specimen of sycamore, or Acer palmatum. Everyone's favourite, apparently somewhat invasive plant in this country, but nevertheless, when you see its seeds floating down like little helicopter rotors, you can't help but smile. Whenever I walk past this bend, it's like the wind disappears. But it's now afternoon. It has been a lovely day. Windy and rainy, and you know what? Zealandia is even closed right now. Yep, they had to close the whole valley down. It's a bit too lovely! See, lovely weather! Lovely! Anyway, I can't film for that long because, it's the camera. Where was I? The camera would get wet. Yes, the camera would get wet. So anyway, here we are in Karori. And, there are no election signs. Yes, there are no more election signs because the election has already happened, and Labour had a landslide victory, and that is effectively the summary of the New Zealand election so far. Because the referendum results are not in yet, unfortunately. Since I've already done my wilding for the day, now I'm just going to catch a bus, because I can. And as you can see, the day is still lovely and moist, even at the railway station. So as you just saw there, you saw the train leaving, and I was not on that train. I got caught up in the Bermuda Triangle, or rather, the Bermuda Triangle. I will not explain, I do not know how to explain, but somehow I disappeared before I was able to finish the episode. So I'm finishing it now. Please remember to like, subscribe, and continue watching these videos. Of you can, and thank you for watching, and see you next time on Gardening Gone Wild.